For the sake of the video, I already stripped the wires about ½ an inch back. You're going to want to make sure your house power is off. You need a 30 amp breaker. You got your ground is going to go to your ground bar. I hope y'all can see that. So we're going to hook up our ground first, and it can join in with one of those other grounds. So your grounds are green. It's going to either be green or bare wire. It's going to go here with the other grounds. That's our earth ground. You got your white neutral wire. This is a 110 setup because it's for a 30 amp RV plug. So your white neutral wire goes here to this lug. It's going to go in there just like this. And you got your black wire, which is your positive. It goes into the breaker here. You gotta make sure it's all the way in. Screw it down here. It's nice and tight. Pull test, and this breaker goes, snaps into place right like that. Snapped all the way in. Okay. For the sake of the video, I made these where they were already stripped. You got your green, your white, and your black. Make sure your power's off. You don't want to be doing this with power on. Your green or bare wire, if you have a bare wire, goes here. You can tighten that down. And then the black wire is going to go to the one that says Y. And it goes here. And then your white wire is going to go here. It says W right there, if you can see that. Okay. They're all connected well. Pull the slack out of the wire. I like the round plug to be on the bottom. Then I'm going to get my screws. I'm going to screw it in there.